Meaning of dodge.
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 Dodge. The word dodge can have several meanings depending on the context. Generally, it means to avoid or evade something by moving quickly or unexpectedly. This can refer to physical movements such as dodging a punch or avoiding an obstacle while driving. It can also refer to avoiding answering a question or confronting a difficult situation. In essence, dodging is about evading or sidestepping something in order to escape harm or confrontation. Successful dodges result in the individual remaining unharmed or avoiding a difficult situation.